Oy, so this is the renewal of friendship from being workmates since November 2021 to December 2022. Dili kaayo mi nagakita and nagatalk but 1 year kapin na being workmates, being in the field most of the time, we share thoughts, problems, happy moments, and the sadness of course. Although we've separated into different career paths, we still share one goals to maintain the strong friendship we built a long time ago. We spent small moments over food and time, but more importantly, we talk about the lives we shared in the past. Meet Dar Split Babies FVT6. Ate Rose, legal officer. Cheche, engineer. Chemi, processor. Kring Kring, documenter, and me myself, ESS. So wala na mi ka video sa food kay hasta nang gutuma kay around 7:30 na mi naka-dinner. Sinaw kaayo ang mga plato kay hasta yung gutuma. So istorya-istorya gamay then namalin mi para mag-coffee.
Nakuha pa sa video. Nakuha pa dyan mo ko pag...
Tulo na lang, may good life, wrestling, tulo-tulo ba? Sino magbagoon naman kapag anak ko? Sino mo na reality na siya?
So guys, mauday na amuang dunya, gikan na siya nag-withdraw. Mas daghan jud ang istorya kaysa sa mga pi. So, mao lang to guys. God bless. Mon ami. Oy.